This is the way to start a Honda 2200 watt generator when it's cold after leaving it outside. So the first thing would be to make sure there's enough oil. We know the oil's good. Second thing is to look for gas. In here, there's this little hole on both sides of this fuel filter. And this is to show you, you don't fill it up past this. Usually this little red deal goes in there and sits in there, but it falls down all the way. If you fill it past that line, you're gonna have serious complications. So the first thing is to put fuel in. And it's better to keep it well below the line than risk trying to get as full as possible. Okay, there we go. We got fuel. Take the cap, make sure the cap's nice and sturdy. All right, we left it on so it was empty of fuel. Yesterday we ran it until it was dead. So it's gonna be a little harder to start this time. So we turn the choke to on, pull the lever. Doesn't take a lot of force. Move the choke to about halfway until it runs. Turn it all the way off. You're gonna see it die. And this little red light turns on, says oil alert. That's because the oil is cold inside of here, so it's gelled up a little bit. And so we have to do that until the oil warms up. Since it's warm enough already, it's starting to choke on. Now we'll check and see. We're gonna do it again. It is. So that's saying that there's not enough oil in there when we know there is enough oil.
Is she okay? Yeah. Okay.
Wait until the light goes off before you start it again. And again, the choke is all the way off now. Fancy shed, and then we're going to turn the eco throttle to on. That uses nearly half the fuel. Once it gets running good, we're going to plug this in. This is the power to our house to charge our batteries and run the inverter system. Plug it in. Cover the door up. And that's how you start a Honda 2200 generator in the cold. Subscribe to our videos and learn more.